Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the RSI Multi Length by LuxAlgo. So this is a free open source indicator. You can add it to your chart by going to indicators at the top and searching for RSI Multi Length and it will appear. Anyone can use it. So this indicator takes the average and it looks at different RSI lengths in order to generate this plot. So RSI, of course, has settings. It has different lengths. Some people like to use a lower length, so it's more reactive to the market. Some people like a higher length. So this takes the average of those lengths and it plots it on your chart. So this, of course, has an advantage because you're looking at different data and you're combining it into one oscillator. So we can see here these big red and green blocks. So what are these showing? So when you get a big red block, it's basically saying, hey, these multiple RSI lengths are starting to scream at you saying, hey, the market's going to reverse, or hey, the market might reverse, so look for a long position or exit your shorts. So as the market approaches this bottom, we get a massive red block. And users in Discord, for example, have coined the term tornadoes. They call these tornadoes when the market might reverse. And then at the top of the trend, we get a big green block saying, hey, the market's becoming overbought, it might reverse soon. So it might be a good time to look to exit your long positions or enter a short position, and the market starts to reverse. Then we get a red and we get a little bit of a bounce. So it's a really, really simple indicator to use. So you can also look for divergences within it, just as you normally would. So the market's making some higher highs there and our RSI is making some lower highs. It's a bearish divergence. We might want to enter a short position based off of that. And it's just a really nice RSI to use in your trading. We also have adaptive overbought and oversold zones. So normally your oversold zone, for example, would be a fixed level at 20 or 30. But here we can see the zone adapt. So as the market starts to squeeze, those zones come in because they become more responsive. So it's easier to identify overbought and oversold zones with this, for example. So it really has an edge when looking for reversals or when you might want to close positions over the normal regular RSI. And then, of course, we can add this into a trading strategy. I've loaded up LuxAlgo Premium. If you do not have LuxAlgo Premium, it does not have to be LuxAlgo Premium. You can use a MACD, you can use whatever you like to use to spot reversals in confluence with this. So we see, look, a giant red spike, and we see a contrarian buy signal. So hey, we're getting confluence there, and it's also in a reversal zone. So hey, we might want to enter a long position here because we're getting this confluence, and it just adds that extra layer into our trading. And remember, this does not have to be used with premium. You can load up anything you like. If you want to use Bollinger Bands with this, go for it. If you want to use MACD, go for it. Does not matter. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it helped you understand the RSI multi-length a little better.